The Optical Society OSA opened office in Europe in July 2018. The objective was to actually have a lot more connection with our communities. We have got members and non-members, and the role is really to engage with our community around Europe. The fields of optics and photonics are certainly very active right now in terms of opportunities. What we hear from industries that they're really there's a massive gap in filling vacancies, and they use exhibitions and big shows where they're trying to recruit, and they just can't. So it's a great time to be studying optics and photonics right now, because industry there'll be plenty of opportunities, and there's also quite a lot of opportunities in academia, although it's much more limited. You have got a huge pool of PhDs, and you've got a very active group. They're doing their masters, and they're looking at what's out there, and they have got the support of KIT, but they also will have the prestige of having worked at KIT, and we want to be part of that as well. So that kind of connection and the support of the school for us is any school, KIT and anywhere where optics and photonics is actually a subject. We want to be involved and helping as much as we can. But KIT has got a very strong name. Is one of these few institutions in Europe which is in the top. I was saying early on, is like the premiership in that respect.